Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So today is another episode. So we will be explaining you about the MST iCore 2.0 from the scratch. So now what is the procedure to add the MST iCore 2.0 indicator on your chart? It is very simple. First of all, you have to create one TradingView account, that is free account is enough. After creating the free account, you will have to share your username. So the username you can find it from your profile. So here if we click on the profile, here it will be mentioned your username whatever it is. So our username is IIT, our contact number and school. So once you have subscribed to indicator, we will be adding the indicator into your account directly from the TradingView server. That is the first step. And the second step will be, you will have to log on to your TradingView account using the username and password. Then go to the indicator settings. Here you can see the arrow mark. We have put the arrow mark. That is the indicator, metrics and strategies available in the tradingview.com. You just have to click on to this indicator. After that, when you have clicked on this, you will be finding various options like favorites, my scripts, technicals, financial, community scripts and invite only. So you come directly to the invite only scripts and select the first option. There will be only one indicator only in your account. So you select the MST iCore 2.0 version. You will have to just one click. If you click just once, that will be added to your chart. That's all. No other settings are available. So what you have to do? The first step, you have to subscribe to our indicator. Second one, go to the indicator settings and add the indicator onto your chart. Clear? So now, after that, whichever script you want to trade, that script you have to select. It may be BANKNIFTY or Nifty, or if you are trading in commodity, you can take Crudeoil, silver, copper, natural gas, gold, whatever it is. But what we are suggesting, if you are trading in BANKNIFTY, you will have to trade in the same script for minimum 6 months for the high returns. Don't change the script day after the other. So now let me show you the live example of Crudeoil today. Our strategy is very simple. When the market has opened, see, I will show you. Now the market is about to open. I will do replaying option. Look at the system. Now market has just opened. Immediately market has opened, we got our buy levels and sell levels. So when the market is coming down to 7607, we will be buying. If the market is going to 7675 first, we will be selling. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. We have to trade only once in a day. But we can easily predict the reversal point as well. How can we predict the reversal point? You have to come down to our settings. In the MGR zone, we have given M supply zone and M demand zone. Okay, these two you can enable. Since buy activated, see here, I am just playing the market. If buy activated, we should enable the buy targets. See here, what is the low? The low made was 7607 and our buy entry was 7607. Exact low had been predicted when the market has just opened. Nobody knows in the world that market will make a low of 7607, but our indicator has already predicted using the advanced algorithm. So exactly we have got the buy entry at 7607 and from there it will be reversed. Suppose if he is not giving the target, then what will happen? We will be booking the loss at 7583, and from 7583 we have to go for the reversal entry. So that is the statement. Easy method. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. If SL hit, we have to go for the reversal entry. And we can find the reversal point also by using M supply zone and M demand zone. If first buy activated, enable the M supply zone for the reversal point. Since buy activated today, I am disabling the sell mode and I am enabling first buy targets, and second sell targets also I am enabling. Why? Because if market is reversing without giving the target, I have to go for the reversal trade. That is what I am enabling the second sell as well. Hope this is clear. Now I am running the market. Exactly our first entry is 7607 activated, and our first target 7631 also hit. Second target hit. Third target hit, and the fourth target would be 7704, that also hit, and the fifth target 7736, that also hit, and the expected reversal point would be at 7736. So that's our monthly supply zone. That's our monthly supply zone. And see the miracle, exactly from our first entry to monthly reversal we have got the target. So how much point we have got the profit yesterday in the crude oil itself? From 7607 to 7736, almost 120 points we have got the profit. 130 points. Exact point, pin to pin, point to point entry. Point to point entry we have got the profit. So in the second sell also we have got two targets hit. So hope this is clear. It is very simplest method available in the world. You don't have to do any technical analysis, like if the buy zone is nearing, you have to apply this technique, that technique. There is no burden on you to analyze anything. Our tool, the algorithm based tool, will do everything for you. You will have to just follow the system. You trust the system, have patience, and be a disciplined trader. You will be automatically can generate more income apart from your regular salaried income. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact us on the given number 9500009154. Please WhatsApp us. We will be giving you all the details, and our executives will be there to clarify all your doubts. Post subscription, you all will be added to premium group, and you will be getting live market support as well, and you will be getting lifetime support and lifetime update, all are free of cost. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, like and share. Please provide your comments and valuable suggestions, so the best suggestion and comments will be rewarded. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy, profitable day ahead.